Another Minecraft video. Today I'm on the tutorial of Stampy's Lovely World. 4J Studios made this with the new Title 19 update, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna be showing you the tour around Stampy's house on the tutorial. It's not fully built here, so there's only a little bit of it. There's food and all loot and nothing in there because you're supposed to put. There's one diamond as well. So this is where the pool ends there. As I told you, it's not fully done. Obviously, it doesn't go deep. So let's go and see his room. Is it here? Yes. This is his room. Obviously, bed for one because no one loves Stampy. I love Stampy, and he's a loser. Anyway, this is where Alfred comes out the painting. Room of no requirements. Amazing. There used to be beds in there as well, so obviously they didn't add in everything. This is where Henry the Snow Golem went, and I don't know what the Iron Golem was called. You could tell me in the link in the comments, maybe. So, yeah, that's where Henry the Snowman went, or lives. Transport station. This is where he gets transported all the way across the world, obviously. Nothing's in it. What's that? Anyway, next, living room. This is where Alfred's kitchen is, where he bakes all the cakes. And also, there's the melon for Stampy's melon moment. Here you go. Inspiration room. This is the room that I don't get. If you look in the episode, when he goes in here, you look around, you see this. I don't know how he got it here, but still it doesn't matter. He probably just done the nether portal glitch. I might show you guys in another video. But, door. Finally I got out the door. We should go back in there in a minute. So this is SS Stampy, the ship, where they hit the target and the Kraken comes, who is actually Ibalistic Squid. I'm on the Titanic. Oh. Anyway, there's a giraffe. So that's the ship. I don't know who we put here. I think it was Gregory. I can't make him stand up because he's not my dog. So let's go back to the room where I said we all go back to. Library. I know what this is. Where he, Breadstick I think, gets the diamonds. The ultimate room of diamond. He takes it, and there's the fireplace along with the library. It's weird. Now I have to relight it. I'm not gonna bother. Burn. Never saw in there. You. There's the swimming pool. What's this? Shower? Look. Or is it a bath? Yeah, it's just a bath. What's in here? A locker. How did he get it? I thought that was a water slide. Next, with it up here, we're gonna go to the disco room. Not in there. Up here.
That is pretty quiet as well, by the way, because you're far away from the mic. Right here.
Anyway, here's the disco room. Nothing in that chest.
Did ya?
So that's the end of the tour of Stampy's lovely world on the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.